Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast car driving. First, focus on understanding your car's behavior. This includes how weight shifts during acceleration, braking, and cornering. Mastering these fundamentals is crucial for maintaining control at higher speeds. We'll cover advanced braking, precise steering, and smooth throttle application to help you shave seconds off your lap times and drive with greater confidence. Next, let's dive into advanced techniques that separate good drivers from great ones. Heel and toe downshifting allows for seamless gear changes, keeping the engine in its power band. Learning the optimal racing line is key to carrying maximum speed through corners. We'll also discuss how to manage oversteer and understeer, giving you the tools to react effectively to your car's feedback and maintain control. Beyond driving skill, your vehicle's setup and safety are paramount. Proper tire pressure, often around 30 to 35 psi, is vital for grip. Suspension adjustments can significantly impact handling. Always prioritize safety by wearing a certified helmet and a multi-point racing harness. Regular maintenance, like checking brake pads and fluid levels, ensures your car performs reliably under demanding conditions, keeping you safe on the track. Finally, consistent practice and a structured approach are essential for progression. Professional instruction provides invaluable feedback and accelerates your learning curve. Regular track time allows you to apply and refine your skills in a safe environment. Utilize data logging and video analysis to pinpoint areas for improvement. Remember, fast driving is a journey of continuous learning and refinement, building confidence with every lap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.